Good, so we're gonna find a wall. We're gonna be about a foot lengths away. You may give a plus or minus 2 to 3 inches, but about a foot lengths away, I'm gonna put my feet directly in front of me. I'm gonna sink down into about a quarter squat and have about a 60-degree angle at my thigh. I'm gonna find my contact points of inside heel and base of the first toe. So again, inside heel, base of the first toe. About a foot lengths away, quarter squat down, get my waistline up against. I'm not flattening my back and pelvic tilting. I'm just creating contact between my waistline. I gently push through my foot contacts, first head of the big toe and inside heel. I gently push to feel a little quad and waistline. And then from here, I take my elbows, eyes looking forward. I give a simple reach forward, take in through my nose, exhale. It's a gentle inhale through the nose. It's a sigh out, like you want someone to smell your bad breath out. And every time we take a breath in, we're just trying to breathe into this upper back here. 3 to 5 breaths, 2 to 3 times.